With the start of a new month tomorrow, October 1st, comes some new laws taking effect.
NBC Connecticut political reporter Mike Savino joining us live at the Capitol. Mike, what changes do we need to know about?
Well, Mike and Keisha, perhaps the most notable ones have to do with protections for home health care workers, but there are some other changes, including policies around body cameras and protections for kids when it comes to online safety.
Tomorrow's a big day for healthcare in Connecticut.
Home healthcare workers will now have new protections meant to keep them safer. Starting Tuesday, home healthcare workers will have access to information telling them if a patient poses a risk. In those cases, they can request a chaperone. It's all in response to an incident last October when Joyce Grayson was killed while visiting a patient in Willimantic.
We would never deny care, but you got to do it in a safe way so that you can go on and see the next patient.
The new law also creates a task force to study additional safety measures for both workers who visit patients' homes and those in medical offices or hospitals. And the state will start enforcing staffing ratios meant to protect the staff as part of an existing law.
We're in the business of helping people and fixing people.
That's one of several new laws taking effect on October 1st. Another law aims to protect children online. Children under 13 need a parent's permission to open a social media account, and anyone 13 to 19 has to agree to share their personal data.
There are a number of protections, but again, we can build on those protections. But I'm very, very proud of the laws that we have, and that is the strictest in the country.
And police now have new policies on body cameras, specifically when officers can pause a recording. The law leaves some wiggle room, but says it should only be allowed when recording can hurt an investigation. Lawmakers say this increased transparency helps the public and the police.
They can document that they are acting defensively and appropriately in the performance of their duty.
Now, there are also several new laws involving animals, including the naming of a state dog and punishments for anybody who hurts a police canine in the line of duty. I'll have more on those changes coming up at 6. For now, live from the Capitol, Mike Savino, NBC Connecticut News. Mike, back to you.
All right, Mike.